Hi, it's Renee with Harvest Hill Cottage. It's a chilly May morning here in Virginia, but I wanted to come out and enjoy the patio anyway because it's too pretty not to. We bought our new home here in Virginia in early 2020, last year, just before the unfortunate situation arose here. And so everything shut down, and that made it really difficult for us to decorate the house and furnish the house the way we would have liked. So we were very delayed in doing so. So here we are a year later, and we have decided we are going to decorate this house, and we're going to go room by room. And I am very frugal. I'm also a crazy DIY fanatic, and we're going to do as much DIY and thrifting and repurposing as possible. We also love vintage, so we'll be using as many vintage items as possible in the home. My husband John and I will be doing this together, and we would like to take you on that journey with us. So this is a new series we're starting, and we'd love for you to subscribe if you're interested in DIY, if you like repurposing, if you like home decor. My style is very French country cottage style, so that's what you'll see. So a lot of what you'll also see here is us repurposing thrifted finds for our retail space, making and creating handmade items for the retail space as well as for the home. So if that's your jam, if that's your vibe, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and come back here and visit with us. We plan to upload weekly updates on the home decor project, and hopefully we'll be sprinkling in some other thrifted and thrift hauls and DIY projects as well with that. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a tour of the house, when we bought the house, and then we're going to get started in the dining room. So here's the dining room after we moved in, and it's decent, but it needs a little love. As you can see, it's a little plain, a little boring. Lots of white and neutral. So we need to add some color, and we need to glam it up a little bit. So I decided to use this painting as my inspiration piece for the dining room, and I'm going to pull some of the greens from the painting and play with some of the other colors and sort of use this as a focal point in the room. The painting itself will get a little bit of a makeover as well. We found this vanity mirror at a thrift store and decided to pair it with the buffet. John added a shelf. We flipped it over and it will hang over the buffet. And here's what we did with the buffet and the mirror. We layered on some green, shades of green, and then we did a wash over that and added an antiquing glaze, and just love the way it turned out. The layering of the paint really gives a lot of interest and depth to the color and the paint finish. I'll do a separate video on how we achieve this look, and I'll post it in the description box below. Love that pop of color in the corner. Now I am really digging the shelf that is on the mirror. And my plan is to add my white ironstone teapot collection, but for now I just put some of the smaller pictures up there because the box of teapots is hiding in the garage and we cannot find it. But this will have to do for now. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the buffet with the mirror and the color. I'd love to know your thoughts. And next week we're going to take on those windows. So come back next week and see what we do next here in our little dining room. We are so glad that you joined us today. Please come back next time for more DIY and home decor.